Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily change the Google Maps view on your browser right now. Let's begin. First, go ahead access Google Maps because actually right now Google Maps includes several viewing options that can change how locations, roads, landmarks, and other map details displayed on your screen. So go ahead, open up Google Maps. I'm going to choose any location, all right? But first, I want you to put your focus and attention right over here. You will notice this section, layers. You can hover into it and you will see more options. Click on more. From here, you will have more map details you can choose from. Traffic, transit, biking terrain, street view. But the most unique feature is the satellite view. So click on this if you would like to have a more realistic look of the map and much more detail. Like for example, an aerial view of the rooftops and buildings of in the area or city. So click this, scroll or zoom in on a specific city you would like to check. For example, I just checked Indonesia Sulawesi. All right. I'm sorry. So I'm going to zoom in and see if I can see. Right. Just check over here. Okay. So this is much more better. Here you can see the rooftops and buildings and the streets. So I'm going to click on street view. It will provide all of the roads that are available or all the roads in this area. So you can also click on terrain. This is very useful and helpful for any adventurers and hikers out there. It will provide you with a more comprehensive and detailed look of the map. So go ahead, click over here if you would like to go back to the satellite view or the default view. All right. So that's pretty much it. Changing the view in Google Maps is a simple way to customize your navigation experience and make maps easier to read based on your needs. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.